First of all, I would love to thank all the team, all the people here who made it actually this Gulfood 23 successful for us. So it's also about the catering, it's about our famous sales team, it's about all the people also in the back office who helped to make it really a successful fair for Krones. Gulfood Manufacturing is not only the platform for Middle East and Africa, so there are also visitors from Pakistan, India and surrounding areas. So that makes it really as a central point for not only for the Middle East and Africa region. There are really visitors, new visitors, there are company owners who are coming here, and therefore we finalized various projects, which is really, I would say, unique and really something special for this fair, which you don't have in other fairs, so not as far as I know. I look forward for Gulfood Manufacturing 24. Goodbye and see ya! Ba 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 da da.